Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLA Class 1.6 GLA200 Sport Premium Plus 7G-DCT, which is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in mountain grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 18-inch 5-spoke vanadium silver alloy wheels, really complementing the mountain grey exterior colour. You also have roof rails to help further expand your storage even more by perhaps adding a roof box or transporting bikes on a bike rack. Moving to your boot, you can find that you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. You also have Artico leather upholstery finished in crystal grey, and the rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, and once you've adjusted them to a comfortable position you are also able to save them, as they are both memory seats as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls, hands-free options and buttons to change your information panel, and you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 72,333 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you may need, including your FM and AM radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this you also have a navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations you may travel to. You have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to listen to your own music whilst on the go, ensuring you can always find something to listen to. And as well as this, you also have your rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you can see that you've got front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days, and you also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.